Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. This tutorial is especially for exchange students in Austria. In this video, we are going to learn 10 important Austrian words that are very helpful when you are studying a semester in Austria. After having watched this video, you will be familiar with words such as Uni, Hörsaal, or Festel. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to the Austrian German tutorial. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to get to know 10 important Austrian words that are helpful when you are studying in Austria as an exchange student. First of all, let's start with the word Servus. Servus means hello and is an informal greeting. It is used among your fellow students or people you know. If you greet a professor, you'd better say Grüß Gott. By the way, Servus TV is a famous TV station in Austria. If you want to know more about greetings in Austria, please check out my video about it. The second word I'd like to present is Uni. Uni is the short form for Universität. As you may guess, Universität is the German word for university. The third word is also an abbreviation, namely FH. FH is the short form for Fachhochschule. Fachhochschule is similar to university, but the timetable is planned and more attendance is obligatory. Fourth, we have to take a look at the word Vorlesung. Vorlesung means lecture and plays an important role for students. The one-to-one translation would sound like reading aloud. Fifth, the lecture takes place in a lecture hall, and Hörsaal is lecture hall in German. A Hörsaal can be small, klein, or big, groß. After having spent a long time in the Hörsaal, it is time for a coffee. A popular type of coffee in Austria is the so-called Verlängerter. Verlängerter is similar to an Americano. If you want to get more information about more than 10 types of coffee, you could watch this video. During your stay in Austria, you will definitely visit the one or the other party. In Austria, a party is also called Fest or Festel. You will come across terms like Unifest, ÖH-Fest, Mensa-Festel, and so on. If you want to say that everything is alright, Austrians love saying Passt. Passt. This also goes for the words fit or suit. For example, dies passt, passt eh, passt euch. One of the most used words in Austria, especially among young people, is oder. Oder is said for so many things and for so many occasions that I produced a special video about it. If you're interested in it, how to use oder in various situations, please check it out. Finally, I'd like to present the shortest way to say goodbye among friends in Austria, namely Baba, Baba. But you can also use Servus or Pfirti. But Baba is the shortest form. I hope this video helped you a little bit for the preparation of your semester in Austria. If you want to learn more Austrian words and phrases, you could watch my video about 50 words and phrases in Austrian German. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen. Servus.